This is PI Traffic Cell Vasco. I would like to make important announcement with regards to road closure and diversion plan for Vasco City. Southwestern Railways are commencing the laying of blocks for new railway underbridge at near Taniya Hotel from the 20th of November 2025. In view of the construction, the present railway underbridge that caters to traffic to and fro from St. Andrew Church Junction to Mangor Hill direction will remain closed for a period of 6 days, that is from 20th of November 2025 till the 25th of November 2025. In view of the road closure, traffic travelling to Vasco City from Mangor direction may take a detour from Varnapuri Junction towards Baina Flyover. From there take right towards Ravindra Bhavan Vasco City Road. Same way people exiting Vasco City going to Mangor and take the up ramp at near Vegetable Market Vasco. Resident of Maimollem, Orulem, Bela, Mestawada, Bhute can take the Bhute Baina Road. It is kindly requested to all public to take note of the road closure and diversion plan and to cooperate with the traffic arrangement. It is also requested to all public to follow traffic rules and keep roads safer for one and all. Thank you.